Mai Men Dong Tang. This is the most important formula. It is really important formula. I have this formula in my clinic always. So always prepared with this formula. Mai Men Dong Tang. I think Pei Pa Kwa and Mai Men Dong Tang can cover pretty much all the coughing. And this is Sanghannon formula. All another three formulas are from Qing. So Wenping formula, and this is Sanghannon formula in Han Dynasty. So 결이 좀 달라. Different vibe. They have a different vibe. So this Mai Men Dong Tang, Bansha, and Renshen. So what do you think? Bansha and Renshen. This is a combination you can find from Bansha, Xie Tang, Bansha and Renshen. So it clears something blocked with the phlegm, especially to the middle jaw. So Bansha and Renshen also nourish fluid too, and Mai Men Dong nourish fluid too. So nourish fluid and Mai Men Dong and Bansha treat coughing and phlegm, and Mai Men Dong actually nourish and goes to lung and stomach. And Jingmi is a rice, just rice. And rice, I know this is classified as a tonifying qi herb. But what do you think? Rice tonify qi? Actually, it does, especially when you are starving. In old days, in the Han Dynasty, people didn't have much to eat. So getting fat is a privilege. So noblemen usually fat because they can eat. So Jingmi, those rice, was a qi tonifier for them. But how about now? I don't think that is a qi tonifier. I think that is a toxin, probably. But Jingmi is very in the middle. So I think rice is one of the perfect food. Rest of the food has a biased, deviated property. But Jingmi is actually right in the middle. So you can eat a lot without hurting yin and yang or heat and cool because it is in the middle, rice. In TCM, we think wheat has a cooling property, but rice, right in the middle. So Jingmi here, nourish in, just like a Renshen. Not qi tonifier here. Nourish in. So Renshen and Jingmi nourish in, just like Mai Men Dong. So modern TCM doctors think Renshen, Jingmi is a qi tonifier, so there's a deficient person, but I use this formula, deficient or excessive, any conditions. It doesn't have to be deficient. Especially Renshen in Han Dynasty, I told you this was not the tonifying herb in Han Dynasty. It was Chinese herb, Chinese Renshen. So this formula nourish in and also remove phlegm. So it can be used from subacute to right before chronic, right before you use Liu Wei Diwan or Du Qi Wan. Do you remember Du Qi Wan and Bai Hu Gu Jin Tang? Those nourishing formulas right before that stage. So you can use this formula really wide variety of the conditions. So this is a perfect formula as a just prepared medicine for your clinic. So Bansha for phlegm and herbs for tonifying qi and yin. And all goes to lung. So nourish lung and moisten phlegm and stop coughing and remove phlegm. Redirect reverse the flow of qi to downward. Coughing with lung indeficiency, sticky phlegm or no phlegm, any condition. Deficient, rapid, possible, or excess rapid, possible. Deficient, not rapid, possible. So pretty much it is like a rice. So Mai Men Dong Tang can be very wide used, very wide spectrum of the coughing. And Bansha has a drying property, so it looks a little bit contradictory, but this formula is more focused on nourishing. So basically, this is a nourishing formula. So Bansha has 1/6 of the amount of Mai Men Dong.